Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best Margarita machine that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. This all-in-one Ninja blender is easy to use for a range of different cooking and cocktailing applications. A selection of added tools, including a 1500-watt base, an 8-cup food processing bowl, a pitcher and a 30-recipe guide, let you blend margaritas, chop salsas, evenly mix pasta dough and much more. There are also 4 dedicated blending speeds for seamless customization. A roomy pitcher allows for 72 ounces of crushing power to quickly pulverize ingredients at 2 horsepower. All parts are dishwasher safe and BPA-free one. If you're looking for a margarita maker that boasts multiple uses, this is an affordable and powerful option. Moving on at number 4, we have Nostalgia Taco Margarita Blender. This margarita machine blends refreshing frozen drinks for a fraction of the price of its competitors. It takes longer to create a smooth consistency due to its 25-watt motor, but it has a generous 64-ounce pitcher to make up for the wait time. Instead of having a separate ice shaving unit, this device blends everything together in the chamber and then dispenses from a convenient spout located on the front side for easy serving. Underneath the spout, there is a drip tray that catches spills and then detaches for cleanup. When not in use, its cord tucks neatly under the machine. Overall, this margarita maker is easy to use, store, and clean. At number 3, we have Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. Not all blenders are designed to make frozen drinks. Sure, basic blenders can whack away at ice cubes, but you'll end up with chunky slush. With that said, high-powered blenders, like this one by Ninja, are your best bet for frozen margaritas. Ninja's Professional Countertop Blender has a 1200-watt motor that crushes ice in just seconds. The 72-ounce blender has 3 speed options and a pulse function so you can easily achieve your desired consistency. For fuss-free recipes, there are clear markings for both ounces and cups. After use, the blender can be rinsed in the dishwasher. The best part about this option is its versatility. Unlike traditional margarita machines, this one can be used for snacks and desserts, such as salsas and creamy banana ice cream. At number 2, we have Nostalgia Juicer and Margarita Kit. If you prefer margaritas on the rocks, they recommend this electric juicer that allows you to make fresh citrus juices instead of settling for store-bought mixes. It even comes with 4 margarita glasses and a salt rimmer, so you can whip up cocktails right away. The 36-ounce pitcher features an electric cone that effortlessly extracts all the liquid from citrus fruits directly into the pitcher, plus it has a filter that lets you adjust how much pulp enters the vessel. With a clear body and liquid markings on the side, the pitcher makes it easy to see when you've made enough juice. When you're done squeezing limes, you can take off the juicer lid and add tequila, orange-flavored liqueur, and your choice of sweetener. Stir up your mixture and pour into the included glasses. And finally at number 1, Oyster Blender. The key to the perfect frozen margarita is a quality, 100% blue agave tequila, says Michael McGee, beverage manager at Ponte Vedra Inn and Clubs in Florida. We like to use a Blanco tequila for our frozen margarita, but for an even smoother cocktail experience, choose a Reposado or Añejo, he says. The Ponte Vedra team likes a 2:1 ratio of spirit to sour and sweet. Commercially, we like the Island Oasis blenders, but for personal home use, it's hard to go wrong with the Oyster 6812 16 speed, he says. The key is patience when blending. The longer you blend, the more consistent and colder the cocktail will be. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.